Hey guys, Gavin Ceiling Fan Check here today with another ceiling fan video. Here we have a JCPenney sold CEI thing spinner. It's a 36-inch. It's dated April of 1990. I replaced this at a friend's house. This was in the master bedroom. This was actually original to the house, when it was built. Everything on it is original. I even have the original down rod that came with it. Here it is. Just one of those little threaded ones. But I do have the down rod. Here's the light. Pretty much how you see it is how it came, minus the fact that I flipped the blades, because it had the light facing down. Here's the light. And you know that looks, yeah, we're gonna demo it like this. Here's low. Now this thing absolutely flies, and this thing was in pretty rough shape when I got it. The blades were like loose, the blade arms were like twisted and bent in all sorts of directions, and it wobbled like really badly. So, there is another neat thing I find pretty cool about it. On this little section of the globe here, you can see through it faintly. It's like frosted, but like not quite right there. You can see straight through it. So there's low, and this thing flies actually. This thing is really good. Here's medium. Turn the light off for a second. Just the light off. And then light back on. Yep. And now it squeaks on, yeah, it does this on high. But it's just a high motor vibration. Oh, and this is manufactured by CEI. And here's high. Listen. I gotta fix that. So. Then I'm gonna do a spin down real quick. And there it is. You get a few photos of it. Do it like this. Alright, spot. The light off. And then that's it. Bye.